Hello, my name is Mihala Hajduk, and today is November 24, 2019, and I'm gonna do the lymphatic system for week 4. Hello, my name is Mihala Hajduk, and today I'm gonna discuss the lymphatic system, and I'm gonna start with the location of the organs of the lymphatic system. And the first one is the thymus, found behind the sternum, and the thymus is serve as the vital role in development of the T cells, which is an extremely important type of white blood cells. The next one is the spleen, which is the largest organ of the lymphatic system, and the spleen is located under the rib cage above the stomach in the left upper quadrant of the abdomen. The next one are the tonsils, which are located on the back of the mouth, and we can see them if we open the mouth and stick the tongue out. The tonsils are important because produces the lymphocytes, which is a type of white blood cells and antibodies. The next one is the appendix, which is a pouch of the lymphatic tissue, and it is attached to the large intestine, and it is located in the right lower abdomen. And I know because I had my appendix removed a long time ago. The next one, that they are Peyer's patches, which are located in the mucosa and submucosa throughout all the small intestines. The cervical lymph nodes are found on the neck, and also the axillary lymph nodes are a group of lymph nodes which are located on the armpit area. The next one, I'm gonna start talking about the function of the lymphatic system. The primary function of the lymphatic system is to drain the excess of the interstitial fluids. The lymphatic vessels drains the excess of the interstitial fluids from the tissue spaces and return to the blood, and also transports the dietary lipids and carries out the immune responses. And unlike the circulatory system, which have the heart to pump the blood, the lymph system has no driving force to pump the lymph through the body. And the primary way how the lymph is moved through the body is the skeletal muscle contraction. When the skeletal muscle contraction contracts, the lymph moves through the one-way valve, and this mechanism is known like a lymphatic pump. And also are some smooth muscles located near to the largest lymph vessels, which also contracts and aids to the lymph movement. And the lymph is influenced by the change in the pressure of the thoracic cavity. When we breathe in and out, the pressure is continually changing. Next one, I'm gonna talk about the flow of the lymph in our body. The lymph originated as plasma, which is a fluid portion of the blood. The lymph is the name given by the interstitial fluids. Is moved to the lymphatic system. So it begins when the capillaries and the blood capillaries components such as nutrients, gases, and hormones are filtered freely through the capillary vessels to form the interstitial fluids. So more fluids filters out of the capillary, then is reabsorbed, which leaves us with the interstitial fluid. This excess of fluids, which is about 3 liters in 3 liters in a day, is then absorbed to the lymphatic capillaries and then is moved through the lymphatic vessels. The lymphatic vessels are more likely like the veins of the circulatory system, and which has just one-way valve to stop the backflow of the limbs to flow from the lymphatic system. The lymph will move to the lymph nodes, and then it will move through the So the lymph will move to the lymph nodes, and then we're gonna move through the lymph vessels, and then the lymph duct will collect the lymph of the body, and the lymph duct will gonna collect all the body slim and empty it in the interstitial jugular and subclavial vein and starts again. That was my video for today, and thank you very much. Have a good night.